Now there are sentences where subject comes at the end. See the example. There is a smart girl. Here we are talking about smart girl, not about there. So subject will be smart girl. And smart word is modifying girl noun. So both smart girl will be the subject. Next is here comes the bus. What comes? The subject is the bus and predicate will be here comes. There goes the teacher. Subject will be the teacher. Predicate there goes. Okay, now let's start all the steps once again. Subject. The subject is a person or a thing we are talking about in the sentence. Subject is always a noun or pronoun. What is predicate? Predicate is the part that tells us something about the subject. Points to remember. The subject may be one word or more than one word. And what are these more than one word? They may be adjective, articles, determiners, phrases that modifies noun. It may be anywhere in the sentence. It answers the question what or who is performing the action. The predicate may be one word or more than one word. Example, she runs. The predicate has verb or the verb is always a part of predicate. The predicate is the rest part of the sentence leaving the subject. Imperative sentences have hidden subject, that is you. There is one more example. Most of the boys were present yesterday. Now ask question to yourself. Who, what were present yesterday? We are not getting the answer of what, we are getting the answer of who. So answer will be most of the boys. And subject will be most of the boys. And what is predicate here? Were present yesterday. Now we are doing exercise of your books. Exercise number 1. First sentence I am taking. Honesty is the best policy. Now again ask the question to yourself. Who or what is best policy? You will get answer honesty. So subject is honesty. And what is the predicate? Rest part. That is we are talking about honesty is the best policy. It is predicate. Now third sentence I am taking. Why are your clothes so dirty? So it is interrogative. Remember, you will ask question what, who are dirty. So you will get answer your clothes. So subject is your clothes and rest part will be predicate. That is why are so dirty. And note it has verb. Beware of pickpockets. Now it is advice. It is imperative sentence and there will be hidden subject. And what is hidden subject here? That is you. Now exercise 2. Match the column. First, birds fly. Second, most of the people like to talk about others. Exercise 3. Complete the sentence using subject. In first, I have filled my friend. You can do according to your wish. Second is they or I. Exercise 4. Complete the sentences using predicates. I have written Hindi is my favorite subject. The sun rises in the east. Now do the rest part yourself.